Alright, this is our 2015 Ford F550 mechanics truck with a a Summit crane on it, a 6,000 pound crane, 144,000 miles. It's all been serviced, cleaned up, ready to go back to work. It is 2-wheel drive. Walk around real quick. We got a stack of nice drawers here. The interior lighting. We got good tread all the way around. A couple vices on the back. You got you got your Van Air AC 40 compressor, hydraulic driven. You got used oil and fresh oil reels, and then the 6620 Summit crane extends up to, I think, 29 feet, so where it's mounted it'd be more than that. Get your oil tanks in the back, get your receiver. Over here is your control area with your air reel. More storage. The previous owner had put a stack of drawers on this side too, so he moved. This is normally where the welding tanks are, so he moved those to this bay here. I just want to work the crane. As you can see, it's already extended out. I just want to air compressor. Go ahead and kick that on. There's no fitting on the end, so it's just going to run out. Bring it all back in. Take the winch up. It'll go all the way over the cab and then it'll stop, and then we gotta bring it back the other way. It'll go a little further than that. Okay, I just wanted to show you the operation of it. Everything works great, and she's ready to go back to work. Thanks for watching.